Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikesh, and today I will show you how to set up Flutter for the Mac OS. So let's get started. I am using MacBook Air M2, which is 15-inch model, and it's a 2023 version. And so actually this doesn't matter, so the matter thing is like I'm using the MacBook and macOS, and it's the M series, so it's not the Intel chipset, right? So that's how we need. And first, at the very first, we first need to install the VsCode. So download VsCode. You can go to code.visualstudio.com or the download address. I will go with the official website with the home page, right? So you can see this is the home page, and in the home page you can see download over here, and here you can select this one here and click this universal macOS stable download. Let's check what others we have. So if we look it from like here, we have Windows, Linux, and Mac. So there are three support, and there are it is built as per the architecture as well. And like for the Mac, it is Intel chip, Apple Silicon chip, and Universal chip. So there are three versions. So if you don't know which one is a specific one, then you can go with Universal setup, or if you know the specific, then you can choose one from here. So I know like I'm using the M series, so anything that starts with like M, then those are Apple Silicon chip. So right as of now, it is Apple M1 and M2. So those who have M1 and M2 showing over in About Mac here, like Apple M1 or M2, they can just click on Apple Silicon. So I'm going to do the same. If you are, however, if you're unsure and you want to go with the safe side, then choose the universal one. Okay, so let's click on that, and it gives us to it asks us to allow the permission to download. So once you have downloaded, click on the click on the finder, or you can always do like click on go and click on computer. After that, you can see here applications at the left. Click on that and just drag and drop. Yeah, so that's all you have to do. So once you have like once you have drag and drop over here, you can see the Visual Studio Code is present in applications. So you can open it from right here, or the shortcut from this launchpad, and search VS. So here you find a Visual Studio Code, click on that, and it will start launch, and there you go. So you install the VS Code. So since we are trying to do a VS Code for the Flutter app development, so we need additional additional setup for the Flutter and the Dart setup. So let's do that in another video.